Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. We are picking up right where we left off with part 2 of our DIY understairs storage project. If you missed part 1's progress, you can get caught up by clicking the video link displayed in the top right corner. So in this week's video, you'll see how we built the actual pull-out storage drawers, as well as install the largest undermount slides we've ever used. For the pull-out drawers, we used 3/4 inch pine plywood, which is the most affordable plywood we found at just under $50 for a 4x8 sheet. Once the first drawer was built, we made sure to do a dry fit under the stairs just to make sure it would fit, but also had adequate space for the second drawer as well as the undermount slides. Look at all that storage potential with just the first drawer. We then built the second one and of course did another dry fit. So this was our first time using edge banding, and it definitely won't be your last. If you've never used this product, edge banding is a flexible strip of pre-glued wood veneer, and you use it to cover the edges of your project for a cleaner look. So how it works is you use an iron to activate the glue so it then adheres to the edge of your material. Edge banding veneer comes in various lengths and widths, making it a very versatile and useful product to try. It'll give your project such a finished look. I linked the exact one we used in the description box. Bernard then used a corner plane trimmer to clean up any overlapping edges and then sanded those edges for a smooth finish. Now that we took care of the edge banding, it was time to actually secure the box frame so we could then install the pull-out drawers. One thing we did, and we highly recommend, is marking where the vertical 2x4s are in the base structure underneath the box frame, because that's what you'll be securing the storage box to. Now for the fun part of installing the undermount slides. Because of the size of these pull-out drawers, we knew we needed something pretty heavy duty. We also wanted ones that would be easy to install, and so we bought these 40-inch undermount heavy-duty drawer slides that have about a 260-pound load capacity. I mean, this thing is massive, and a pair will run you just under $160. I did link the ones we bought in the description box. Bernard first attached the slides under the drawer and then installed it under the stairs. actually installed the first drawer already, which worked really well, but the second one was challenging because there was little room to work with. Bernard wrote in one pull-out drawer to get to the back, and then I had to pull out the second drawer so he could access the slides to install them. An alternative to this process would have been to install the slides under the stairs first and then attach it to the pull-out drawers. The slides make this storage space much more functional and practical because we'll be able to easily access whatever we store in there. In our next video, you'll see the last pull-out drawer built and the slides installed. We're also going to add shelving, which I'm super excited about, but you guys will have to stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.